Hello, my students. How are you? Today we'll solve the questions from author book, Pythagorean Theorem. Do you remember this theorem? I will solve now multiple choice questions about this lesson, okay? So you must pay attention with me about the example. This question here, in the given figure, we have right angle triangle. He won't find what is the area. Look at here. What is the area of the square which you draw on AC? We know AC power 2 equal 1 power 2 plus 3 power 2. 1 power 2 it will be 1 and 3 power 2 is 9. Then EC power 2 equal 1 plus 9 equal 10 square centimeter. Next question here, he wants to find the value of x. We can find the value of x from Pythagorean theorem, right? Hypotenuse power 2, 2 times 2 is 4. Then we have x power 2 here equal hypotenuse power 2 subtracted by adjacent side power 2. Then x power 2 equal 3. Then the value of x equal positive, okay, square root of 3. The value of x here equal 3. Next question down here is a given figure. You want to find the value of x. We can find x power 2 from Pythagorean theorem. We can raise the hypotenuse power 2 because this side opposite angle 90 degrees. And x power 2 equal 20 power 2 plus 21 power 2. 20 power 2, it will be 400. 20 power 21 power 2, 21 times 21. We can predict together here. 1 times 21 and write 0 here. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. Write 1. 441. You can collect 1. 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Then the result will be square root of the number here. You can find the answer, okay? Okay, square root of 841 will be 29. Next question, we have triangle, right angle triangle at P, like this. He give me EC equals 30 centimeter and AB 24 centimeter. We won't find CP. We can find CP from Pythagorean theorem. In the length of CP equal square root of 30 power 2 subtract by 24 power 2, and then you can find the answer. The result will be 18. Okay. Next question, we have triangle XYZ right angle at Y, like this. You want to find the rules here about Pythagorean theorem. First step, we have Y, it's a right angle. X, Y, and Z, right angle triangle at Y. Then xz power 2, so it would be hypotenuse. Xz power 2 equal xy power 2 plus yz power 2. Okay, from Pythagoras theorem. Next question, rectangle. We have rectangle like this. Length 16 centimeter, and the width was 12 centimeter. What is the length of diagonal? We know diagonal is line segment joined between two opposite angles. So we have here right angle triangle. We can find the length from Pythagoras theorem. Diagonal here power 2 equal 16 power 2 into 12 power 2. And then find square root the answer to find the diagonals. 16 power 2 to 165. 56, sorry, 256 plus 144 can collect will be 400. Then the diagonal will be square root of 400. It will be 20. In the length here will be 20 centimeter. Next question. The area of rectangle is 60 square centimeter and its width 5 centimeter. What's the diagonal length? We have rectangle here. We know area of rectangle equal length times width. Then we can find the dimensions here from rules. You know, area length times width. 60 divided by 5 equal 12. Then the first length will be 5 centimeter, and 60 divided by 5 equal 12 centimeter. He won't find here the diagonals. We can find diagonals from right angle triangle because I'm here in 90 degree. Then d power 2 equal 5 power 2 25 plus 12 power 2 144. Then the result will be 169. Then the diagonal will be square root of 169 is 13 centimeter. Choose letter B. Next question here, we have ABCD is square, then EC power 2 equal. EC power 2 equal what? It's the area. Then EC power 2 equivalent to any side power 2, like AB power 2 or diagonal. We know EC is diagonal. You know, ABCD square is square, and EC diagonal and B diagonal also. Two diagonals are equal lengths and bisector and also perpendicular. Then EC equal BD. Okay, then EC power 2 equal BD power 2. Okay, here we can write he won't find EC power 2. You can write EP power 2 plus BC power 2. And then EP equivalent to BC. Look at here, we can write EC power 2 equal to EP power 2 plus CP power 2. And they are equivalent. And then the answer will be twice each one of them. Like this, twice, because they are equivalent. CP equal EP. Then we can collect two twice one of them. Twice EP power 2. Choose letter C. Next question. Okay, so last question. My students. This type of questions here, the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean inequality like this. Which of the following number can be the lengths of side of triangle? We know hypotenuse power 2 or the Gibbs number power 2 equivalent to the sum of two powers of the sides. Like this, we can choose letter B. Why? Because 13 power 2 is equivalent to 5 power 2 plus 12 power 2. We can collect together. Then we can choose letter B here, the correct answer, because 13 power 2 equal 5 power 2 plus 12 power 2. The answer here, 169 equal 25 plus 144. Then we must choose letter B. Next question, choose the following number can be lengths of the sides of acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle, it's meaning hypotenuse power 2 is less than, like this, greatest number. The greatest number power 2 less than sum of two smaller sides. You can combine here like 9 power 2, it will be 81, and 6 power 2 is 36, and 6 power 2 is 36. We have 36 plus 36 is 72. Then 81 greater than sum of two powers of the smallest number. Then we called it acute angle triangle. No, it will be obtuse. Okay. He want acute angle triangle, not obtuse. This obtuse. Okay. Okay. Next question. 8 and 3.7 and 7.5. Okay, my students, I found the answer here, 3.7 power 2 and 7.5 power 2, and the collected numbers will be more than 8 power 2. Then we must choose letter C. The triangle here will be acute angle triangle. It's meaning hypotenuse or the greatest number, power 2 less than sum of two smaller sides. So you must choose letter C. But letter D here, we called it obtuse triangle, and here right angle triangle, and here also right angle triangle. Okay, next question. Which of the following number can be the length of side obtuse angle triangle? It's meaning the greatest number power 2 greater than two numbers. We can first find 27 power 2. Okay, 27 times 27, it will be 729. Right here, 729. And 10 power 2 is 100. And 24 reduced by 24, we can write 24 reduced by 24, it will be 576. Okay, 576. You can collect together. If you collect, it will be 676. Then 729 is greater than. So you must choose letter A to get obtuse angle triangle. Choose letter A. Okay. Next question. Triangle with side lengths 5, 12, 13. What's the area? We can find the area by find the type of triangle first. We must know the type of triangle. How this? We can write 13 power 2 here equal 100. 13 power 2, combining between 13 power 2 and 5 power 2 plus 12 power 2. Like here, 13 power 2, 5 power 2 plus 12 power 2. It will be here 25 is 1 and 144. 169 and here also 169. Then this triangle will be right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, it's meaning the two sides here will be 5 and 12 and the hypotenuse here 3. Then we can find the area half times the base times the height. The area half times base 12. Base here 12 and 5. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Then the area will be letter A, 30 square centimeter. Next question. Number 13. ABC an obtuse angle triangle at A. Like this, we have obtuse angle triangle at A. AB 4 centimeter, we have like this. Obtuse angle triangle at A. A, B, C. He give me AB 4 centimeter and BC 7 centimeter. He won't find EC can be what? We know the third side lies between the difference between two sides and sum of two sides. We can raise the intervals, okay? Like this. EC is falling into open interval. 7 minus 4 is 3 and 7 plus 4 equal 11. Okay, but he asked this example, it will be obvious. Who can tell me, give me the number like 3 and 11? We have 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, but we want the number here less than 7. Yes, because 7 is the greatest number. It's opposite angle A. We must choose number less than 7. That's 7, so we can cancel 7 here and cancel also 8. So we have 6 or 5. What is the correct? Put here 5. If we put 5 here, then 4 power 2 is 16. And 5 power 2 is 25. We can collect together 5 plus 6, 11. 1 and carry up 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 41. And 7 times 7, 49. Then it will be correct. If we put the value here of b equal 5, it give me the obtuse angle triangle because 7 power 2 equal or greater than 0 power 2 is greater than 5 power 2 plus 4 power 2. And next question here we have EPC an acute angle triangle. We have acute angle triangle like this. He give me AB, okay, EPC here. EB was 6 centimeter and BC equal 8 centimeter. We can find EC from this method also. We know EC is bowling to the difference between two sides. EC bowling to the open interval difference and summation 6 subtracted from 8 equal 2 and 8 plus 6 is 14. Lies between 2 and 14. We have cancel 2 and cancel 14. So we have 10 or 6. If we put 10 here, it will be right angle triangle. So you must choose 6. It will be isosceles triangle here. Okay, because 8 power 2, he gave me acute angle triangle, not, look at here, acute angle triangle, not right angle triangle. Then 8 power 2 equal to 64, and 6 power 2 is 36, and 6 power 2 is 36. Then 36 plus 36 is 72, and 64 will be less than 72. So you must choose letter B. Next question here, we have BC power 2 plus AP power 2 equal 48, and CA equals 7 centimeter. What is the angle B? Okay, we can write triangle here like this, like any triangle A, B, C, and the comparing between A here equal CA power 2, it will be 49. This CA power 2 is 49. 49 greater than 48. Then it will be obtuse angle triangle. Okay, this triangle will be obtuse like this. Obtuse angle triangle. Why? Because the greatest number here will be what? 49. This CA power 2 is 49. But CP and PA power 2 is 48, and the greatest number 49 greater than 48. We called it obtuse angle triangle. Understood? Because this number CA power 2 is greater than summation about those other sides, power 2 of each one. Next question, measure of angle Y lies between 90 and 100. It's meaning this angle obtuse. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, it's meaning what? It's meaning the opposite of this angle is greater than. Like this, we have this triangle here. We called it obtuse. Angle Y here, we have X and Y and Z. Because this angle lies between 90 and 180, we called it obtuse angle. Then XZ power 2 is greater than XY power 2 plus YZ power 2. Next question. Question number 17. If angle A complements angle B in triangle ABC. Okay, complements. What's the mean complements? It's summation of them equal 90 degree between A and B. They are complements angle. Complements. The measure of angle C equal 90 degree. Okay, we have right angle triangle. Let's see. Then is EP power 2? It will be equal to, okay, right here, equal to. We have right angle triangle from Pythagorean Theorem. Next question is the isosceles triangle with side lengths 3 and 4. What is the largest angle? We have isosceles. So we can find the third line like L. Reverse to, look at here. Isosceles triangle, we have the side length L falling to, okay, is the open interval. The difference between them and the sum. Who can tell me here? We asked about, we have isosceles triangle. Then Other sides here may be 3 or 4. He could generate 3 or 4. Okay, who can tell me? We have here a isosceles triangle. We have 3 and here 4. Okay, what is the side length here? Maybe 3 or 4. Okay, the side length here maybe 3 or 4 because 3 and 4 lies between 4 and 7. The third length will be 3 or 4. Okay, okay. If we put here 4, what is the type of triangle? We have 4 power 2 equals 16 and 4 power 2 equal 16. Okay, the greatest number in this type, it will be 4 power 2 and 4 power 2 plus 3 power 2. We can comparing here 16 and here 16 plus 9 is 25. It will be acute angle triangle. And also if we put here the side length equals 3, if we put 3, okay, if we put 3 here, side length is 3, not 7, like this. 3, 3 and 4, it will be right. 4 power 2 is 16, and 3 power 2, 9, and 3 power 2, 9. 9 plus 9, 18, it also will be accurate. So the side length here, if the side length is 3 or 4, we can call this triangle it acute angle triangle, okay? Next question. In triangle AC power 2 plus BC power 2 equal EP power 2 minus 5. What is the measure of angle C here? Who can tell me? It's meaning the obtuse angle triangle because the angle C here obtuse because if we subtract from 5, it will be equivalent. C meaning AP power 2, it will be greater than the summation of two angles here. Then angle C, it will be obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Okay, next question. We have product between xz minus xy and xz plus xy. We can product together first by first, second by second. There will be the difference between the squares. Then we have xz power 2 subtracted by yz xy power 2 is less than yz power 2. And then we can move here. Then xz power 2 less than yz power 2 plus xy power 2. What's the type of this triangle? Angle y will be always at xz, and this greater than the first number or first side greater here or less than this side power 2 less than sum of two powers about other sides. So this triangle we called it what? We called it acute angle triangle. Choose letter E. We have here acute angle triangle. Okay, my students, last question. Next time I will explain the lesson. Okay, goodbye.